Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful coily hair wig using extension. If you want to know, make sure you keep watching this video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And after watching, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Thank you all so much for your support, and let's get started. So guys, this is the extension I'm going to be using. Before I start using it, I'm going to stretch it a little bit. After stretching it, now I'm going to use my coconut oil hair cream to moisturize it and use a comb to remove the tangles from the extension. So now it's time to start coiling the hair. To do that, I'm going to be using a flexi rod hair coiler. I'm going to take this amount of extension and start wrapping it around the flexi rod. It's really easy to do. If you watch carefully, you definitely understand what I'm doing. After wrapping it round to the end, I'm just going to bend the remaining flexi rod to secure it from unraveling. After that, I'm going to set it into a bowl and add hot water. Then I'm going to leave it in for some minutes. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the flexi rod and show you how the coils came out. Now to install the hair, I'm going to be using this braided wig cap. It comes with 3 pins on it to hold your wig down, which is really good. I bought this wig cap from AliExpress. I'm going to be using a crochet method. If you don't know how to crochet your hair, I have a video on my channel on how to do that. I'm going to put the link down below so you can go check it out. So this is all for this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please give it a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.